Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to zoom in on the Clipchamp application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Clipchamp application if you already have it downloaded into your PC. Of course, if you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Microsoft Store or any browser you're currently using. And if you are a Windows 11 user, you will have the Clipchamp application already downloaded into your Windows per default. If you are a Windows 10 user, you may find it already downloaded and you may not. If you have it, that will be great, but if you don't, go and download it. And of course, the download steps must be easy because you must have been downloaded something in your PC before and it will be the same steps. And once you download it, or if you have it, just go and open it up as I'm going to do here to follow the tutorial steps. And of course, once it's opened, you will need to actually log in into your account if you have one, and if you don't have an account, just go and create one so you'll be able to use the application for free, or you can just go and subscribe with them so you can actually have the full features if you want. And here you'll be able to start a new edit or record something on the application, then start editing on it, or you can just go and choose some of their templates here. As you can see, they have a lot of them here, or you can just go and keep editing on some of your videos that you already started editing, which I'm going to do here. And as we said, we would like to zoom in on a video or something, so let me just first of all delete those small ones and delete even those. And as we said, we would like to edit or zoom in. So of course, if you want to zoom on the video, if you want like this one, you can just make it here bigger, and of course then adjust the video as you want. If you mean by zooming this zoom, of course if you would like to go back, click at Ctrl Z. And if you want to zoom in on this editing section, you can just go and click on this plus here on the zoom, and as you can see, the video will be zoomed in and you'll be able to start editing on an exact second if you want. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.